Hello, dear parents. If you are wondering where to take your kids on weekends, here comes a fun league for the year 2025, which is happening at Orion Uptown. And guess what? At Fun League, just by making a payment of 400 rupees, you will be enjoying 14 different games. What are you waiting for? Come down to Orion Uptown and trust me, you're going to have unlimited fun and unlimited entertainment. So, Prerna, what do you do?
I'm a HR professional. I've actually come from Bombay.
Mumbai. Wow, you're from Mumbai. Great. You have come all the way from Mumbai to Namma Bengaluru to experience Fun League at Orion Uptown. That sounds really great. Well, how is Bangalore treating you?
Awesome. Bangalore has always been fun. It's treating me awesome. And the Fun League is in particular awesome.
Great, great. Well, and how often do you visit Orion Uptown?
Very regular. My two big nephews, boys, are here and they visit. They are a regular visitor here to Orion. Very good experience they always have.
Wonderful. Which is your favorite brand at Orion?
Um, no, you know what? We come for a specific thing, and that is the game zone up. So that's our favorite thing, and of course the play area here.
Wonderful. Last question to you. What do you like about the Fun League which is happening here? There are 14 different games. Which is your favorite game and why?
Yeah, I think 14 of them, and we have experienced three already. I think the first one that we really enjoyed is the one behind the puzzle, the maze one. That was really awesome. But I think what is more important about these 14 that I think I'm seeing other children also, and I think they're enjoying so much in a very safe, guarded, protective environment where they are able to have fun. So I think it's really organized very well.
Wonderful. And Prerna, don't you think it's a good deal? They just make a payment of 400 rupees and they get to experience 14 different games. Don't you think it's a good deal?
I do think so. It's a good deal. I was checking the counter, and I think it makes sense for all 14 to be together in the price that you said. I think it's a good deal.
Well, last question to you. What is your rating for Orion Uptown? 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest.
I would say 4.5.
Wonderful, wonderful. Prerna, it was nice talking to you. Have a great weekend. Thank you. So, gentlemen, may I know what is the one thing which you really, really like about Orion Uptown? What do you like about Orion Uptown? What brings you down to Orion Uptown?
Okay, first it would be like the fun activities that they conduct. Like it is like they keep on changing. So it's not like only the league alone. So they have many other activities as well. Like inside they have the toy train and stuffs, and then in the upper deck they have all the restaurants as well. So everything is so good. And I mean, this is the second time I'm visiting Uptown. So first time it was a different thing, and this time I'm feeling it a very different thing.
Wonderful,
Yeah,
wonderful. Madam, last question to you. Where do you shop at Orion Uptown? Which is your favorite brand?
Everything.
Everywhere. You shop everywhere.
Yeah.
Wonderful. What is your rating for Orion Uptown Mall? 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest.
5.
5 on
Yeah.
5.
Yeah, it would be 5 on 5.
Wonderful, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Nice meeting you. Have a great time.
MJ Bob, we enjoyed the fun activities done with you. We enjoyed as a parent also. Kids are enjoying. Thumbs up. All the best for you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
MJ Bob. I think you should share your Instagram ID somewhere, and you should start some anchoring classes or something, because you have been an incredible host, and we are all strangers here, but the way you conducted this event, everyone felt like home, so it was an incredible thing, and yeah, you should start the classes to teach this skill to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You made my day. Thanks a lot.